Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel mpbse. On 13th May, CBsE has announced the result for class 10th and 12th board examination. Many students are happy with their marks, but few are not satisfied with your CBsE result. So, you may be confused what to do next. So don't worry, in this video, I will explain everything about CBsE revaluation and rechecking step by step. So, first, let us see what was happening last year. Last year, the first process used to be verification of marks, and this starts normally 4th day after declaration of result. Means if our result is declared on 13th May, so verification of marks will start by 18th May and it will remain till 8th day. Means this facility will be available only for 5 days. After verification of mark, you can obtain the photocopy of your evaluated answer book, and this will start on 19th day from the declaration of result. Means you can add 19, means it will go till 1st June or 30 May, and this facility is available only for 2 days. And lastly, you can apply for revaluation, which will start from 24th day of declaration of result, and this facility will be available for 2 days. Remember, this sequence of activity was happening last year. Now let us see the fees. CBsE used to charge some fees also for all these processes. Now let us see the fees. This is the last year fees for class 10th. If you are applying for verification of marks, then you need to pay 500 rupees per subject. Then when you are applying for photocopy of your answer book, again 500 rupees per answer book. And when you are applying for revaluation, you need to pay 100 rupees per question. Means after obtaining a question paper answer sheet, you find out some errors in 3 questions. Then you have to enter those particular question number, like question number 10, 18 and 20. These 3 questions are having the problem, then they will be charging you 300 rupees, means 100 rupees per question. This is for class 10. Now let us see for class 12. This is the for class 12. For class 12, again approximately payment is same. First verification, you need to pay 500 rupees per subject. Next, photocopy of your evaluated answer book. This is little bit more. For 10th it was 500, but for class 12 it is 700 rupees per answer book. And lastly, revaluation, again it's same, 100 rupees per question. Now this is happening till last year. Now let us see what is the pattern for this year. According to this circular dated 2 May 2025, CBsE has made changes in their pattern. Now, earlier, as I already told you, they used to have these 3 processes in this sequence: first verification, then photocopy, and lastly revaluation. Now this year onward, first process will be photocopy of evaluated answer book, and then you can apply for verification of marks or revaluation or both. Now payment, still CBsE has not given any instruction about the payment, whether payment charges will be same like previous year or it will be different. Now result has been declared on 13th May, so at least after 7 days only they will start obtaining the photocopy of evaluated answer book. Means this process will start minimum by 20 May, not before that. Remember, deadlines are very strict in this case. So whenever the circular come out, I will be informing in this YouTube channel. So you can follow my channel for this, as well as you can apply for revaluation or obtaining your answer book within the time. So don't panic. If you genuinely think that you have been marked unfairly, use the system, and remember, your marks does not define your future. Stay focused and keep working hard. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to mpbse. Drop your query in comment I'll reply to each one.